All right, everybody, it's time for the November market update. Let's get right into it. First of all, detached houses across the Fraser Valley, we have seen prices go slightly down, about 5 to 8%, and we've seen sales go down. Not crazy slow, but slower. We're telling everyone there's opportunities out there. You're a buyer, you can be patient, maybe get the dates you want, negotiate the price down a little bit. We're seeing numbers like 10 homes out of 80 selling, 3 homes out of 28. These are in different neighborhoods. Across East Abbotsford, it was like 21 in 138. So houses are still moving around the 8% to 15% sales to actives ratio, but it is creating more opportunity, some listings sitting out there longer, and prices going down a bit because there's more on the market. Therefore, you need to price a little bit sharper to stand out. So that looks like 5%, which you might say is not that much, but on $1 million, well, that's 50 grand. So then it's 950,000 for a potential purchase price. So we've had some buyers find a lot of success here. We also have sellers still getting the job done. You just have to be mindful of where the market's at. And attached, so your condos and your townhomes, it seems to be a little more of a seller's market still slightly. So the prices have gone down a bit, but more of those are moving. So the numbers are more like 20 to 30% sales to active ratio, which isn't a crazy seller's market, but nonetheless, it still shows just a bit of a seller's market. So we've had a few people list recently with us. We priced it a little bit sharper, still got a deal within the first couple weeks for them as well as a couple happy buyers at townhouses in Chilliwack. So again, more opportunity, the deals are still happening. And then lastly, I think overall the pricing from this November to last November, it's actually almost the same. You're gonna see it slightly higher or slightly less in some different markets, but as a whole, it's kind of similar. So this last year, not much has happened besides some months going a little bit more activity, other months going down a little bit, but overall it's still kind of that mark. So interest rates are high. And there is a little bit of volatility out there as far as uncertain what things are gonna do or what's gonna happen in the world. But due to just general supply and demand, the market's still moving. We think right now, still a good time to buy, good time to get in, because if those interest rates start coming down, well, that investment or that purchase for you is gonna look really, really good. I'll leave you with that. Have a good one, guys.